Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the quests in Dawncraft mode. So this won't be the quest that most of the villagers give you inside the villages, but you can check some game progression by opening your inventory with E, and here click on this quest in the top left corner and you'll be able to check the game progression. You can also hover over this arrow right there to check all of the specific tabs like getting started, and here you can read some information on how you should progress through the game. But there's some Guildmasters quest here if you want to check them. Just go for Lost and Found quest map replacements, and here you will find all of the main villagers quests, like for example Guildmasters quest main quest line, and here you can replace the maps in case you lost them. Simply click on each of them and then click right here to replace the map. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.